Hello class 7, welcome to Adult Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 2.3 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Question number 1, find the first part 1 by 4 of A, 1 by 4, B, 3 by 5 and C, 4 by 3. So here we have to find out 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 and 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. We have already learned in exercise 2.2. The first part A, 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, we will multiply 1 with 1 and then 4 with 4. So 1, 4 4s are 16. Answer. B part, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. So now 1 into 3, 3, 4 5s are 20. Answer. C part, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. 1 4s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 1 by 3. We can cancel out 4 by 4 here also. But in the last we can also cancel out. So answer is 1 by 3. Second part. 1 by 7 of A, 2 by 9, B, 6 by 5 and C, 3 by 10. So here we have to find out 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 1 by 7 of 6 by 5 and 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. So A part, 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. So 1 by 7 into 2 by 9, 1 into 2, 2, 7 9s are 63. Answer. B part, 1 by 7 of 6 by 5 is equal to 1 upon 7 into 6 upon 5. Directly multiply 1 by 6, 1 into 6, 6, 7 5s are 35. Answer. C part, 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. So 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. So 1 by 7 into 3 by 10. 1 into 3, 3, 7 10s are 70. Answer. Question number 2, multiply and reduce to lowest form. The first part is 2 by 3 into 2 and 2 by 3. So this is a mixed fraction. First of all, we have to change it into improper fraction. So 2 by 3, so 3 2s are 6, 6 and 2, 8 into 8 upon 3. So 2 8s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. This is an improper fraction. Now we have to convert into mixed fraction. 9 1s are 9 and then 7. So 1 and 7 upon 9. Answer. Second part. 2 by 7 into 7 upon 9 is equal to 2 into 7 and 7 into 9. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 and we got here 2 upon 9. Third part. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. So 3 into 6 and 8 into 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 3 into 3 and 4 into 4. 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. Answer. Fourth part. 9 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. So 9 into 3 upon 5 into 5. 9 3s are 27 and 5 5s are 25. This is an improper fraction. So 25, 27, 25 1s are 25. Now we have 2. So answer is 1 and 2 upon 25. Answer. Fifth part, 1 by 3 into 15 upon 8. So 1 into 15 upon 3 into 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. 5 upon 8 answer. 6th part. 11 upon 2 into 3 upon 10. So 11 into 3 and 2 into 10. 11 3s are 33 and 2 10s are 20. So this is an improper fraction. So 20 divides 33. 20 ones are 20. Now we have 13. So this is 1 and then 13 by 20. Answer. 7th part. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. So 4 into 12 upon 5 into 7. 4 12s are 48. 5 7s are 35. So 48 upon 35 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert this number into mixed fraction. So 35, 48. 35 ones are 35. So we got 8 minus 5, 3, 4 minus 3, 1. So 1, 13 and 35. Answer. Question number 3. Multiply the following fractions. The first part is 2 by 5 into 5 and 1 by 4. So 2 by 5 into 4 5 is 20, 20 and 1, 21. So 2 into 21 and 5 into 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 21 upon 5 twos are 10. So we are leaving the answer here, as in this question they have not asked us to convert into mixed fraction. So 21 upon 10 is our answer. Second part. 6 and 2 by 5 into 7 upon 9. So 6 5s are 30, 30 and 2, 32. 5 into 7 upon 9. So 32 into 7 upon 5 into 9. So 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. 21 and 1, 22 upon 5 9s are 45. Answer. Third part. 3 upon 2 into 5 and 1 by 3. So 3 upon 2 into 3 5s are 15. Adding 1 here. So 16 upon 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So answer is 8. 5 by 6 into 2 and 3 by 7. So 5 by 6 into 7 2s are 14, 14 and 3, 17 by 7. So we are going to multiply 5 with 17. So here 85 and 6 7s are 42. Answer. Fifth part. 3 and 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. So 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 2, 17. 17 upon 5 into 4 by 7. So 17 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2, 6. 5 7s are 35. Answer. Sixth part. 2 and 3 by 5 into 3. So 5 2s are 10, 10 and 3, 13. 13 upon 5 into 3. So there is nothing in denominator, we are putting here 1. So 13 into 3 and 5 into 1. 13 3s are 39 and 5 1s are 5. Answer. Last one is 7th. The question is 3 and 4 by 7 into 3 upon 5. 25 upon 7 into 3 upon 5. So here 5 ones are 5, 5 halves are 25. So 5 into 3 upon 7. So 5 3s are 15 upon 7. Answer. Question number 4, which is greater? First part is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. So here we have left side and right side. So first of all we will solve left and right. After that we will compare the result. So 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. So 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we got here 3 upon 7 2s are 14. Now coming to here, 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 5 and 5 cancel out. We got here 3 upon 8. 3 by 14 and 3 by 8 are unlike fractions. So to compare it, we have to change it into like fractions. So here we will multiply denominator and numerator with this 8, or 3 by 8 will be multiplied with 14. Or we have other option also. We can take LCM of 14 and 8 to compare these two fractions. So taking LCM of 14 and 8. So 14 and 8. 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2, 2, last one is 7. So 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56. So LCM of 14 and 8 is 56. So 3 by 14 or 3 by 8. So 3 by 14 from here and 3 by 8 from here. And LCM of 14 and 8, 56. So 56. As good, we have to divide 56 by 14, and after that result will be multiplied with 3. So first divide and then multiply. So 56 divided by 14, we get 4, and 4 3s are 12. Then 8 7s are 56, 7 3s are 21. Now 12 upon 56 and 21 upon 56. So now there are like fractions. So easily we can compare it. Here we can see that 21 upon 56 is greater than 12 upon 56. So 12 upon 56 less than 21 upon 56. It means this one is greater. So 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Therefore 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. Answer. One by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 or 3 by 7. So 1 by 2 into 6 by 7. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 3 upon 7. Now here 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. 3 and 3 cancel out. We got here 2 by 7. So 3 by 7 and 2 by 7 are like fractions. So here we can see that 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. So 3 by 7 is result of this one. It means 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. Answer. Question number 5. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. In this question, there are total 4 saplings. Suppose this is garden and saplings are in adjacent way. So, if this is first sapling, then gap. And what is the gap between these two saplings? 3 by 4 meter. Now second sapling. Second, then again gap 3 by 4 meter. Third sapling, gap of 3 by 4 meter. And this is last one. So this is fourth or last sapling. Now, from figure we can see that there are total 4 saplings and the gap between two adjacent saplings are 3 by 4. So, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 meter. It means there are total distance 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So, here we have to find out distance between first sapling and last sapling. So from figure it can be observed that gaps, these are gaps, that gaps between first and last sapling. How many? First gap, second gap, third gap. So total 3. Total 3 gaps are here. So length of one gap 3/4 meter. So length of 3 gap is equal to 3 into 3/4 meter. So 3 3s are 9 and 4. So 9/4 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert into mixed fraction. So we get 2 and 1/4 meter. Therefore, distance between first and last sapling is 2 and 1/4 meter. Answer. Question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 1 and 3/4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? So number of hours Lipika reads the book every day. So number of hours Lipika reads the book every day, and 1 and 3/4. This is mixed fraction. So here 4 1s are 4, 4 and 3 7, 7/4 hour. It means she takes 7/4 hour to read book on daily basis. Now number of days given in question, total 6. So total number of hours required by her to read the entire book, and total 6 days, and per day she reads 7/4 hours. So 6 into 7/4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It means 3 7s are 21/2. This is an improper fraction. So we are going to change it into mixed fraction. So we get here 10 and 1/2 r. Therefore 10 and 1/2 r, this is our answer. R is required to read the book. Answer. Question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 and 3/4 liter of petrol? So distance covered by car in 1 liter of petrol, and it covers 16 km. Now total quantity of petrol, and in question 2 and 3/4 liter of petrol is given. So this is a mixed fraction. First we have to convert it into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 and 3 11, 11/4 liter. So total we have 11/4 liter of petrol. So we have to find out how much distance will it cover in 11/4 liter of petrol. So total distance covered in 11/4 liter of petrol is equal to 11 by 4 and distance is 16. So here 11 into 16 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So 11 into 4, 44. It means it will cover 44 kilometer in 11 by 4 liter. Therefore, it covers 44 kilometer in 11 by 4 liter of petrol. Answer. In question number 8, we have to find out the answer of this box. After getting answer, we have to change it into simplest form here. So same in this question, we have to find out this box and that simplest form of this box. So how to solve this? We have to follow some steps. So 2 by 3 into this box is equal to 10 upon 30. We have to find out value of this box. So this is equal to 10 by 30 into, we have to change the side of 2 by 3 from left to right. So it will be reciprocal. So 3 by 2. Now 10 3s are 30 and 32s are 60. It means the value of this box is 30 by 60. 30 by 60. Now in second part we have to convert or change this number into simplest form. So 0 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So answer is 1 by 2. It means the box is 1 by 2. Now B part. 3 by 5 into box is equal to 24 by 75. So box is equal to 24 upon 75. Reciprocal 3 by 5, 5 by 3. So 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 12 upon 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 21 and 1 22. So 120 upon 225. So value of this box is 120 upon 225. Now in second part we have to write 120 upon 225 in simplest form. So 120 upon 225. So 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 8 upon 15. It means simplest form of this box is 8 upon 15. Answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.